Attention citizens of the world, we are anonymous. We wish to get your attention, hoping you heed the warnings as follows. Your medium of communication you also dearly adore will be destroyed. If you're a willing activist or a guy who just wants to protect the freedom of information, then join the cause and kill Facebook for the sake of your own privacy. Facebook has been selling information to government agencies and giving clandestine access to information security firms so that they can spy on people from all around the world. Some of these so-called white-hot infosec firms are working for authoritarian governments, such as those of Egypt and Syria. Everything you do on Facebook stays on Facebook regardless of your privacy settings. And deleting your account is impossible. Even if you delete your account, all your personal info stays on Facebook and can be recovered at any time. Changing the privacy settings to make your Facebook account more private is also a delusion. Facebook knows more about you than your family. You cannot hide from the reality in which you, the people of the internet, live in. Facebook is the opposite of the anti-sec cause. You are not safe from them nor from any government. One day you will look back on this and realize what we have done here is right. Think for a while and prepare for a day that will go down in history. November 5, 2011. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.